Birds collect food for their nestlings in various ways, depending on their species and ecological niche. Here are a few common methods employed by birds to gather food for their young. Hunting and capturing. Many bird species, such as raptors, eagles, hawks, falcons, and insectivorous birds, swallows, flycatchers, catch prey on the wing or from perches. They may swoop down to grab insects, small mammals, reptiles, or even fish from water bodies. These birds bring their captures back to the nest to feed their nestlings. Foraging. Birds that primarily feed on seeds, fruits, or nectar, such as finches, sparrows, hummingbirds, and honeyeaters, forage for food in their environment. They may explore flowers, trees, shrubs, or the ground to find suitable food sources. These birds usually regurgitate partially digested food to feed their chicks. Probing or pecking. Woodpeckers and other species with specialized bills use probing or pecking techniques to locate insects, larvae, or grubs hiding in trees or wood. They drill holes or use their bills to pry out prey items and carry them back to the nest. Scavenging. Some birds, such as crows, gulls, and vultures, are scavengers that rely on carrion or food scraps for sustenance. They search for carcasses or visit garbage dumps, beaches, or other areas where food waste is available. They may bring back suitable food items to their nestlings. Regurgitation. Many birds, including pigeons, doves, and some songbirds, feed their nestlings by regurgitating pre-digested food. They consume food and store it in a specialized crop, where it mixes with digestive enzymes. Later, they bring the partially digested food up to their beaks and transfer it to the hungry chicks. It's important to note that these feeding behaviors can vary significantly among bird species. Some birds may exhibit a combination of these techniques, depending on the availability of food, and the specific requirements of their nestlings. How birds collect food for nestling. How birds collect food for nestling.